My dear people, mga minamahal kong kababayan, I have to give you a national perspective of politics today so that you will understand, ma-translate natin sa ating lokal na politika. We are a nation in crisis. Ang utang natin is 16.3 trillion pesos. Ang popularity rating ng ating presidente is 14%, the lowest by any president in modern times. Divided ang ating bansa. Nag-aaway ang kampo Marcos at kampo Duterte. Why did it come to this? Bakit nangyari ito? Sapagkat merong isang tao na napakaaga gusto nang tuparin ang kanyang ambisyon na maging presidente ng Pilipinas. Ang unang ginawa nila, People's Initiative, they wanted to amend the Constitution so that we will shift from presidential to parliamentary and he can be appointed Prime Minister. Hindi nagtagumpay yun, 26 billion ng gastos. Gumawa sila ng bagong programa, ayuda. Etong mga perang binibigay sa inyo, hindi itutulong sa mahihirap. Ito ay pambili ng boto natin para yung kanilang kandidato sa lokal ngayong eleksyon ay mananalo in preparation for 2028. Hindi pa rin nakontento, they impeached Sara Duterte. Hindi pa rin nakontento, they exiled the former president to The Hague to be tried by a foreign court. My dear friends, all of this have bearing on our local politics. Sapagkat, ang totoo niyan, etong mga ayudang tinatanggap ninyo ngayon ay bahagi ng isang matinding plano para bilhin ang mga boto ng ating mga botante so that they will be able to position their local candidates so that in 2028, that man who has been salivating to become the next president could fulfill his dream. And this man is no other than Martin Romualdez. I am not going to gamble the future of my children. I am not going to gamble the future of our province.